Good day, everyone! In the video, we are covering the 5 best golf chipping nets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start! Number 1. Our top pick is PodiuMax Pop-Up Golf Chipping Net. For 20 years, PodiuMax have been designing and building some of the most innovative sports practice equipment on the market. From golf to American football, PodiuMax has many products that will help you practice and improve your game anywhere and anytime. And with the PodiuMax Pop-Up Net, you can also practice your golf all year round. If you're like me and hate the hassle of fiddling to assemble things, this is the chipping net for you. This net packs away into a 1.2-foot handbag, and once pulled out of the bag, it literally springs to life. But that doesn't mean it skips on other features. No, this chipping net features 3 small targets and 2 big targets you can use to dial in your chipping. The net itself is highly durable. Although I probably wouldn't recommend swinging a 5-iron at it, you'll feel comfortable in the knowledge that it is robust enough to catch your chips from a long distance. Plus, it is sturdy enough to catch those chips without buckling, meaning it's a great all-rounder. Number 2. Our second best pick is Jeff World of Golf Collapsible Chipping Net. Although it resembles a camping chair, this net is here to sharpen your golf skills. And winter golfers can breathe a sigh of relief as this chipping bucket's collapsible stand means your golf target is raised off the muddy wet ground you'll be playing on. That means you can pop the stand up and down as and when you fancy a chip without having to worry about cleaning dirt off the bottom of the netting. This target features 4 chipping baskets you can test your chipping on. But don't worry about putting a hole in its mesh netting. The structure is made of a sturdy spring steel frame and durable mesh, which can easily handle the shots you'll be playing at it. The target is highly durable too, and as it's raised from the floor, the net won't get wet as much as other chipping targets, meaning it'll last you a lot longer. Lastly, if you're like me and are always suffering from a bad back, the raised baskets on this target mean you don't have to stretch and bend over as much when collecting all of your golf balls. You won't have to bend down to collapse the target either, saving you from putting any unnecessary extra stress on your back. Number 3. Our third best pick is RELILAC Golf Chipping Net. Now, aside from getting 3 nets for the price of 1, the RELILAC is perhaps one of my favorite chipping practice nets on the market. It is the best for helping you get better at gauging your distance. I like to line the 3 targets up at varying distances and angles and shoot balls at each one. Not that I get any in, but it still helps me improve on how hard I'm hitting each of my chips. The nets come in 3 different sizes too. You'll get a 24-inch, 18-inch, and 12-inch diameter chipping bucket, which means you can also work on your aim with these targets. They are perhaps the most portable, each packing into a 1.2-foot handbag that literally weighs nothing, meaning you can pop them up in seconds and get chipping. The nylon mesh is also highly flexible to catch your shots and won't buckle as you drop high lobs into the back of the net. Plus, if you have a group of friends that love golf, you can set up a competition that'll make your practice a little more entertaining. I like to set the targets out and score points with how many shots I can drop into each, usually not many. Anyway, I would definitely recommend the RELILAC to any golfer looking to improve on their chipping distances while also having a bit of fun. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Galileo Golf Chipping Net. This chipping net is a little different from the others. Instead of having a pitch bucket opening, it's slightly more upright to help you work on your pitching and smaller chips around the greens. These small 5-foot chips are the ones I see golfers mess up the most. But this target can help you get over those chipping yips. Made of strong fiberglass, which is cased around an iron pipe, this chipping net will not rust or buckle as you strike balls into it. That means you can stand reasonably close to this net without worrying about damaging its support structure. That also means you can work on swinging through the ball more fluidly without worrying about slicing or cutting the ball away from the target. Plus, the target's low angle of approach means it will catch balls that are lower in their flight trajectory, allowing you to work on your contact with the golf ball. This net also comes in two sizes of 24 and 26 inches. I recommend you go for the larger option, as this will collect more of your shots as you look to work on the shape of your swing and your connection against the golf ball. It's also great for indoor use. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is GoSports BattleChip Cornhole game. Challenge your mates to an exciting game of cornhole with a twist. Instead of throwing bean bags, you have to chip golf balls into your opposition's chipping net. While working on your chipping abilities, challenge your friends to a competition to see who is the best golfer. The set comes with 2 targets, each with 3 different buckets you can pitch the ball into. Although it is quite a challenging game with a golf club and ball, it is great fun to play, and things can get very competitive very quickly. Plus, the game comes with 2 chipping mats, meaning you can play this game pretty much anywhere. The set is also easy to set up and pack away too, and can be transported in a small carry bag. With its small buckets, this game will really challenge your chipping accuracy and will help you hone in on both your power and precision with your wedges. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.